Hey, good morning. We're going to work on a little 981 Cayman this morning, Cayman S. I'll take you through a little bit of the process, kind of show you what we're going to do this for the Fister exhaust. So what we've done is we've cut in 2 panels, one on each muffler, removed the panel, gone inside and reworked the interior of the muffler with some stainless steel, give it a better flow, and also which will in turn give it a much better sound, a nice sporty sound. So this is all done in stainless steel tubing, stainless steel welding, so it is built to last.